Hello, everyone. Hope everyone is fine and safe during this pandemic. I wanted to express a couple of things which has happened to me recently while I was traveling to Bangalore. Now, um, this video might help those folks who are planning to come to Bangalore via Coimbatore Salem route and those who have plans to get into Bangalore via Hosur. Okay, right. First thing first, I had a very bad experience at the Omalur Toll Plaza, Salem. Okay, they have charged double instead of a single entry. Of course, I admit the fact that I did not inform them it's going to be a single entry, but they don't have any rights to charge double for the entry and exit without my consent. Okay, I've lost 70 bucks. Okay, but if everyone thinks like I'm okay losing 70 bucks, 100 cars per day, is it so? No, thousands cars per day, 70,000 per day. Yes, it's a huge number. It's a crime. Don't repeat this. I'm sorry. I'm not going to repeat it. Okay, I'm not definitely not going to repeat it. I've learned my lesson, but please be a little careful about this. Don't make the mistake which I've made. Just inform them it's going to be a single way. Okay, and I don't know. It's if it's just my problem that I get a message only after 10-15 minutes after they charge my FASTag. Okay, so I'll leave it. Okay, right. I'm not going to do it again. Right. So secondly, things were all silky smooth. Everything was going fine. Okay, till I reached Hosur. It's just that the fact that there are a couple of roadblocks here and there, and 4 5 entry points, checkpoints where you have to enter your name, details, where you're coming from, what blah 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 in the ledger, and then get in your car and drive. That's it. No roadblocks, nothing whatsoever. Okay, everything is fine. But things would once you enter Hosur, yeah, they're a new beginning. That's a new beginning. If you are coming after 7 p.m., if you're lucky enough, you have to wait the whole night. If you're that lucky enough, you have to wait the whole night, which is scary. It's a different ball game altogether. So I really appreciate the fact that they are doing it religiously. At the same time, when you think about, if there is good, there would be something bad at the other side as well, right? Just like that, I had to experience a couple of things there. First thing is the people who are staying there. I mean, the checking is done by a government employee. No matter, they are not cops. Bus conductors, drivers, people from electricity board, water authority, anyone. It can be anyone. Okay, and what they hold on to, their point is very simple. Okay, at the bottom of the Seva Sindhu app, you have something mentioned that to avoid further delays, you have to come between 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. That doesn't mean that you should be coming to Hosur for checking within this time frame. They did not get this point. All they understand is 7 to 7, 7 to 7. You come after 7, you wait till 7 in the morning, which is scary. Or you have to convince them saying that there is death in your family or near or dear. You have to take a vehicle. Okay, I mean, there's a dead body. Okay, which is one way good. It's okay, fine. I know they are actually there will be so many frauds also, right? So one way good, that's fine. But otherwise, you have to be a pregnant lady for sure, or anything which you can convince. If you can convince them, yeah, of course you can go through. That's it. But there is nowhere in that past saying that you have to wait. You have to come between this one. It's just mentioning that to avoid any further delays. That's it. They're not getting that point. Nothing. They're not getting it. It's just that they need to be a little educated about that. That's all. Okay. That's about it. I've tried to make an argument, but I understood that it's not going to help me at all. Somehow I made my way. Okay. I mean that's okay. That's a different story. But just after that, I thought, okay, let me stick on to the rules. Okay, let me rules Ramanujan. Okay, then I went back to my vehicle, and I was just standing there. Okay, I thought I will get inside the vehicle. Suddenly, I saw a couple of heads, peeping from here and there. Okay, so I thought, okay, They are calling me also. Right, I just went there, maintained a fair distance with a mask and all, with all protective gear. Now they said, "What happened there?" I said, "They're not letting us go. I need to wait. They're telling that I need to wait till 7. Okay, we will let you in. You don't have to stay in Karnataka for 14 days. There is no quarantine, nothing whatsoever. I will take you through this toll plaza itself." How much? 2000 rupees. Just pay me 2000 rupees. I'll take you in same route, straight route, because I have to give to others, officials. Okay, and what they said is they'll take my car and then they'll come back, then they will take me back. This is what they said. I don't know what logic it is, but they said that give me money only after you are no inside Karnataka. That's it. As simple as that. As simple as that. I went. I rushed to that place where they have where there is a checking, and I blasted. Is this what you're doing behind COVID? Is this a business happening behind COVID? What are you doing? I literally blasted, but I made it very sure that none of the work is affected, and I took one personnel, and I called all the cops which are who are there. They were patrolling. I mean, some few were sleeping. I mean, they were only two, three, four max. Okay, so call everyone and start a searching. I'm going to show them. I'm going to show those that person or those people, and you're going to arrest them. That's it. That's I was very on to the point. Okay, and finally they came along with me. We have searched for 10-20 minutes. We couldn't find them. They've already bolted somewhere. Now somehow I got through. Okay, but what I wanted to tell is you can be even killed if things happens like this. If you think that this is very urgent, because they also say how much can you give. We think that okay, it's 500. Okay, let's pay 500 and get the shit out of here. Okay, there may be chances, situations, or people who does that. Okay, please don't do this. There are so many things which is happening in Bangalore. Okay, so this is an unknown place. Please don't get into this trouble. So I just wanted to express this. That's all. Okay, be safe, stay safe. Thank you.